everyone. Welcome to our Filipino language tutorial. Today, we will learn some basic Filipino greetings and how to pronounce them correctly. These greetings are commonly used in everyday conversations in the Philippines. Learning them can help you communicate with Filipino people in a polite and friendly way. Do not worry if you are a beginner. We will pronounce the greetings slowly and practice them together step by step. Before we begin, remember that the word po is used to show respect. Filipinos usually use po when speaking to elders, teachers, strangers, or people in authority. Now, let us start learning. Our first greeting is magandang umaga. It means good morning. The pronunciation of this is magandang umaga. Repeat after me. Magandang umaga. Again, magandang umaga. Very good. In polite version, magandang umaga po. Repeat after me. Magandang umaga po. Excellent! The next greeting is magandang hapon. It means good afternoon. The pronunciation of this is magandang hapon. Repeat after me. Magandang hapon. Again, magandang hapon. Very good. In polite version, magandang hapon po. Repeat after me. Magandang hapon po. Great job! Next is magandang gabi. It means good evening. The pronunciation of this is magandang gabi. Repeat after me. Magandang gabi. Again, magandang gabi. Excellent! In polite version, magandang gabi po. Repeat after me. Magandang gabi po. Very good. Another greeting is magandang araw. It means good day. The pronunciation of this is magandang araw. Repeat after me. Magandang araw. Again, magandang araw. Excellent. Now, let us learn a common Filipino greeting like kumusta? It means how are you? The pronunciation of this is kumusta. Repeat after me. Kumusta? Again, kumusta? Very good. In polite version, kumusta po kayo? The pronunciation of this, kumusta po kayo? Repeat after me. Kumusta po kayo? Again, kumusta po kayo? Excellent! If someone asked, kumusta? You may answer, mabuti naman. It means, I'm fine. The pronunciation of this, mabuti naman. Repeat after me. Mabuti naman. Again, mabuti naman. Very good. In polite version, mabuti naman po. Repeat after me. Mabuti naman po. Excellent! Now, let us learn how to say thank you. Salamat. It means thank you. The pronunciation of this is salamat. Repeat after me. Salamat. Again, salamat. Very good. In polite version, salamat po. Repeat after me. Salamat po. Excellent. If someone says salamat, you may answer walang anuman. It means you're welcome. The pronunciation of this is walang anuman. Repeat after me. Walang anuman. Again, walang anuman. Great! Now, let us learn how to say goodbye. Paalam. It means goodbye. The pronunciation of this is Paalam. Repeat after me. Paalam. Again, paalam. Very good. In polite version, paalam po. Repeat after me. Paalam po. Excellent. Another expression used before leaving is hanggang sa muli. It means until next time. The pronunciation of this is hanggang sa muli. Repeat after me. Hanggang sa muli. Again, hanggang sa muli. Wonderful! Congratulations! You have learned some basic Filipino greetings and their correct pronunciation. Remember to practice every day, speak slowly and clearly, and use po to show respect. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in speaking Filipino. Thank you for watching. Salamat po. Hanggang sa muli.